All schools, all colleges, all universities are useless. No, really. All education is outdated if it can be answered by Google. Education can never be book-based. For the sake of archival purpose or museum purpose, you can go and see those, not for any practical learning. Education can never be book-based, because by the time book is published, the material is irrelevant. If the material is not becoming irrelevant by the time book is published, education is not happening. Research and development is not happening there. Understand? Education can happen only by continuously what is being churned out, that need to be released. Only that way education happens. They are living in a rut without upgrading themselves, without evolving themselves. It will be very difficult for a society to evolve and catch up with the speed with which education means. If it is a living organism, constantly you will be churning out. People may have a doubt. Sometimes people say, no, Swamiji, the further research development should be magazine based, but fundamental truths we should study in the books. No. Even fundamental principles get refined. Understand? Even the understanding about the fundamental principles evolve. Listen carefully. After happening of a Google, if you are studying anything which can be answered by the Google, you are a fool, utter fool and stupid. Nothing more than that. The time, money, energy you spend in colleges, universities, listen carefully. This is very important. Still, if you are sitting and studying geography, the names of the capitals of the countries which we all used to do, and having a map and mentioning the rivers and hills and mountains names, you are stupid, because the whole Google map is available. All you need to do is learn to type what need to be typed and open the Google Maps app. You will see direct 3D. The methodologies, outdated, old, outdated, irrelevant, inefficient methods. Hinduism has guts to tell this. I'm developing a new word called Google confidence. You just need to know where to find, where to search, what to search for running your life. Actually, the education should be only one thing, Google confidence, that's all. All other education, schools, colleges, universities are useless, redundant, stupid. Teach people to gain Google confidence. That's all should be the education of the future. All the human beings should be educated with the Google confidence. Where to search, what to search, get the best and customize it for your life. That's all. Whether you want to build a body, get rid of a disease, do a new hairstyle, or change gender, learn language, anything. Do not waste your time studying educating yourself in anything which Google can answer. If you are doing that, you are wasting your life. The only thing Google cannot answer, which you need to do, is power manifestation. I do not know when the society is going to wake up to the truth I am revealing, but I am telling you, the earlier society wakes up, better for society. Our whole Gurukul and university, everything should run on Google Confidence. That's all. Why will you sit and study the stupid chemistry and the whole nonsense which you will never use in your life even once? All you need to do is just type how to, and the tons of answers are there which you can customize for yourself and enjoy. Over. If some stupid fellows are expecting you to have that stupid degree to give job, don't accept his job. He is going to make you live a redundant life, a government servant's life. It might have been useful for your old generation. And I saw these fellows are establishing the same structure. One file moves from one table to another, another table to another, another table to another. These fellows will ask only one question. The next question some other fellows have to ask. Life will become smooth. Things cannot be complicated. Like how the medicine industry has become now. For right eye one doctor and left eye one doctor. Good, they have not discovered third eye. Otherwise they would have developed another one doctor for that. There will be one more stream of doctors. In our villages, not only the whole body, the village doctor only will be the musician also. He will only play the music in the temple. And it's not that he was inefficient, very efficient. I've seen. They are able to keep the health of the whole village. After the happening of the Google, if you are spending your time, life, energy, anything for the sake of education, studying, researching, which can be answered 10,000 times better by Google, you are destroying your life. You are destroying your life. In all the fields, all over the world, should be fed into Google, and all over the world, people should be taught to access from the Google. This is going to be the future education method. The world has reached a level for a rhythmic, organic, oneness world order, not one world order, oneness world order. Understand, one world order is stupidity, which can never happen. Oneness world order, where the knowledge, all these are completely free. Now, after the happening of the Google, if you are still wasting your time in any so-called outdated methods, so-called old methods, it is just waste of life. Not just waste of time, waste of life. All education should become internet-based. Classrooms, schools, infrastructures built for education, all of them are already redundant and irrelevant. You just need research institutes to feed Google and the knowledge of Google Confidence. better search engines, better keywords. That's it. Even the fundamental language can be taught in Google. Instead of blaming internet, Facebook, YouTube, social media, absorb them, digest them into your life. That's the only way to survive. The secret-based classroom techniques and methods are outdated, useless. No, really, I'm telling you. All the programs, classes and education has to become internet-based. Whether you want to cook for 10,000 people, or you want to clean the place where you are living, or you want to handle your stress, or you want to get enlightened, everything. If Google can answer, don't waste your time in studying it. Spend your time in learning Google Confidence. Building Google Confidence means better way to search, quicker way to search, align, customize for yourself. The whole education methodology should be new, called Google Confidence. Understand? Spend your time in studying only things which can't be answered by Google, means power manifestation. Other than power manifestation, anything you do is useless. That is what I mean. For the whole humanity has only two work. One, develop this Google Confidence. Second, start manifesting powers. Nothing else is worthy. That's all. That's all is the complete life for the future of the human beings. Google Confidence and power manifestation. That's all.